last 5,000 years on record. So we can see that we have in hand some excellent source of fungal fiber, edible fiber. And if we find a way of only producing this type of fiber, then it will revolutionize fungal biotechnology and also many other industries. For example, this type of fiber could be excellent carrier of various types of drugs and medicines. Finally, we come to the epicutis, pseudorhiza, and the pseudorhizal this one. So, by synthesizing all this information, in future I am very sure that we will get holistic knowledge, integrated knowledge about genus Termitomyces and Termitomyces hyemi that we encounter in Goa, we have used here as a model. Sujata Dabolkar will follow some of the aspects not covered by Dr. Rosie D'Souza from a different angle, which has nothing to do with taxonomy, biology or ecology, but rather to do with some chemical, biochemical, geobiochemical, geomicrobiological aspects of these mushrooms, which have not so far been explored. But we'll hear about it more in future, and you should keep on watching this channel and these videos and spread the word across different countries and continents, so that at least there you get awareness about eco-conservation of this species, and wherever it is a big appeal to global audience, Southeast Asian and Sub-Saharan African audience, that please convince your local authorities, local governments to conserve, preserve, protect the termitophilic agaricales, the fungus grower termites in your area, your region, against over-exploitation, against land use change, against destruction of forest, because these termite hills, they are very important agents, very important catalyst in ecosystem services. 50% above ground litter they convert into rich soil, mineralized soil. So do not forget, we are sending a message from Termitomyces hyemi studies today to the whole world on this date, July 18th, 2019, that in this age of global warming and climate change, all this knowledge that we are imparting to the world today is just not knowledge for sake of knowledge, but to ensure that in the age of global warming and climate change, we get more and more of such mushrooms for further research, which can be put to use of the humanity, so that we can discover novel food products, we can discover novel drugs, anti-tumor, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, anti-malarial, antiviral drugs by further bioprospecting of these species. And no scientist will be able to do systematic bioprospecting until and unless we have all these microscopic, micro-level information. So from Mycological Laboratory of Department of Botany, Goa University, we have given you this much of information. I encourage other researchers, young and dynamic researchers in India and Southeast Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa to do similar work in their laboratories. So all of you can publish very well, and we will get more and more papers in this area.